These are the nice cars are. This thing's so nice.
17.
What?
These look like 17s, maybe. 16s. 16.
16s? That looks sick.
Then a bunch of the spoilers that are on these would look good underneath my car. There was also a Hakko spoiler on there. They're on one of the cars that looked so good on it.
Look at this thing.
Ah,
Fucking GT wing. This is RB house. Long jams. Four door. Looks sick. Dude, there's so many fucking. Look how dangerous this motherfucker is.
I don't like the green boys.
What was the
Oh, look at all the walks.
hit that was on the R34 yesterday? Tommy Kira? Yeah, there's a Tommy Kira car over there. It has like badges and shit.
I'm the spiders.
walked out.
Info. Some wats. Oh, I just walked through a spider web. Mother trucker, dude. Some more wats. Some more wats. Some more wattage. More
Pretty cozy.
wattage. Yeah.
Oh, spiders.
I'm back. Jesus. Man, did you see any of those red valve covers?
Oh yeah.
What? Aren't those like 1,800 bucks each? Oh fuck, look at this one.
There was an engine just sitting over there with them.
Really?
Yep.
There's spider webs everywhere.
This thing's cool.
Scared you? That sounds cool.
Oh, you're gonna have to go through that, Josh.
Not nice.
All the cars are so like.
See?
Oh, Tommy Tiara.
Yeah.
Tiara. That's pretty cool.
There's one there with like a kid on it of some sort.
These are really cool. I kind of want one.
Spider webs.
They kind of smell like
This one's nice.
What do they smell like, Ben?
Smell a bit like piss. A bit
They
like
do.
Josh.
Like
Josh, you smell like piss.
No, I don't.
You've always smelled like piss.
You're lying.
Josh. Oh, that one's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. I really like the two-tone. The black.
Yeah,
and
it does look
gold.
sick.
Ah.
That's like chrome.
Yeah, this one
Cool.
has a kit.
This one looks sick.
What a kit. What a kit.
You
This
ever see
wagon's
like
cool.
bigger, small wheels? Like
Yeah.
16s or 17s.
I know, it's kind of weird.
Wait, what'd you say?
This is my favorite one.
That's really cool.
Looks so good. The watts, little flurries. Some Recaro confettis. Oh, I don't like that steering wheel. Oof. I like the color too. This one's also fucking sick.
I really. Huh? No, I can't go lower.
R31 junkyard. Just fucking stacking them. Holy fuck. This is one out of like a couple yards of just them fucking stacked up. The wagon. Fucked. Just fucked.
And like the stock spoilers or whatever that are on some of them, on the GTSRs, are so cool looking.
I like this spoiler. I'd put this on like a Sylvia.
I want that on my car.
Yeah. Actually, that would look sick
I
on your
want one of
car.
those.
That would look really cool on your car.
I want to find one. There's a spoiler you put on the underneath of your car.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just take those two spoilers and my car will be golden. And then some wheels. Fuck.
Yeah.
I've always liked these because you can put small wheels on them in the 4-lug.
Mm-hmm.
Are they 114?
I have no idea,
No idea.
actually. I imagine.
Probably. You see that S14 too?
Oh, yeah. Look at the angle on it.
This is Z31 too. Looks in pretty, from what I can see, it looks in decent condition.
not even that bad of shape. Oh, JZX81. That looks sick.
Very exciting.
This one's in good shape. Like, look at these Formula Mesh. Oh, so deep in the back.
Yeah, that's so dope, man. Oh,
This Vans, or this
makes me want
wagon's
to
sick.
cry.
Yeah, it's a bit fucked.
Crying.
8.6. Wing 21. Track R31. Looks sick.
I like the rust of this. Very nice. Oh, the
This car's sweet. Holy fuck, this bitch is zoomed in.
Huh?
Just the camera was fucking zoomed in. 8.6. Crusty long champs. Fuck, cage. Sick. Some meshies. Yeah. There's a whole other yard of them over there. We didn't even get to. Just fucked. Just fucking fucked. This is where they rebuild them and fix them.
Yeah. I wonder if they bought those in that condition.
What do you mean?
Like,
Obviously.
I wonder if they're buying all those to like use this, or if those are their old.
The nice ones.
Dude, the R34 wing on that one looks kind of janky. Don't look back right.
They're restoring them. Fucked. This piece of shit. The 8.6 bumper. Dude, there's so much shit in this. Is that your sock?
Yeah, it might be my song.
Oh. Bro.
There's some coming there.
Okay.
It's on R34 wheels and it's a RB26 turbo.
Josh.
Says?
It's fucked.
I don't know.
This, what the fuck, Ben?
Why would you do that? Do you just smell a sock?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Why are your socks fucking everywhere in this thing?
Those are mine. This
you
one's mine. I don't know where the other one is.
Ben, are you sad to leave?
Yes.
Did you like it there?
Yes. But I won't be sad to leave the piss smell, to be honest.
But Josh smells like piss.
That's true.
Can I have a strawberry poggy? Yes, you can, Ben.
Can I try one?
Thank you.
Yes, you can, Josh.
Are they good?
Yeah, but you smell like piss, which makes it worse.
Oh.
Josh.
Dude, you guys
broke
smell
this
like this
one.
so much, I think it's you.
Josh, this one's for you. You get a little taste of strawberry.
Stop. Take it, Josh.
Take it.
This is so sad.
Was it nice?
No, it doesn't taste like strawberry.
Well, that's all you get.
Ben, I thought you were gonna shave your fucking beard.
Sam, can you give me the rest of that one? I'm very sad.
There you go, Josh.
What the fuck? Stop.
That one's
eating
used.
that.
What? Just try it.
You're fucking
Ew,
cow.
dude. You got fucking disease now.
From Bensav?
Oh, yeah.
It's impossible.
Here's a full one, Josh.
Fuck.
Oh, right. You've been doing that too much.
Game
There you go, Josh.
Those are so good.
Fucking used, man.